I actually remember when this started 20 years ago. I was just 2 years old, by the way, but the Jamaica Fitness Association, they've turned 20, not is turning 20 on Saturday. Well, yeah, you are turning 20. On Saturday, they celebrate 20 years, and director and my good friend Corel Jones is here with a couple of schools, and you'll see them in just a little while. Did you envision anything like this 20 years ago when you started?
Wow, we really didn't envision how big the cheerleading would have gotten. We were hoping that fitness would get there, even though, you know, Emancipation Park wasn't even built at that time and persons weren't really exercising. But now, as you can see, everybody's so health conscious. So we're really happy about that and very excited to see where cheerleading has gone. It's in the Olympics now. We're going to be representing Jamaica at the Olympics either at 2024 or 2028. Yeah. So it's really, really exciting. Yeah. And we're happy that it's gone this far.
And I remember when you started, you just had a few schools involved.
We just had a few,
now,
yes.
You have very many.
We have a lot. And we have a lot of divisions.
You have a national squad. Yep. All kinds of stuff. What's going to happen on Saturday?
Well, Saturday, everybody has to come out. It's going to be at the Indoor Sports Center at 10 a.m. Sharp. We have all the teams coming out to compete for our national finals. They're competing for a chance to represent Jamaica at the World's Championships as well. And we have some wonderful teams, three of which you'll see today. I want to especially mention Windsor Castle, which is in the primary prep division. And they have just grown tremendously over the years. And we're really proud to see all the growth of the team. So really, when you come out Saturday, you're not only going to see fitness and exercise and us doing those type of demonstrations, but you're going to see really amazing athleticism with cheerleading this year.
So you have primary, high school.
We have basic school, primary, prep school, high school, all girl, which you'll see with St. Hugh's today, and you'll have All-Star, which Moon Marshall's going to give you a little taste of that too.
What about coaching at this level? Are you certifying coaches and stuff?
We certify coaches. We have a coaches certification. We're affiliated with UCA and ICU, which is our overseas affiliate, and they help us with the coaching certification. We have wonderful coaches. David is here. We have coaches that have been with us for the 20 years, Mr. Fife, Mr. Herring. So they're all now entrenched and have what it takes to really get the teams to a different level.
Yeah, I know St. Hugh's went away, and I know David is one of the national coaches. Can we compete with the universities abroad? Because they do huge cheerleading.
I am definitely convinced that we can compete with them. We just need the resources, as you know. We need the help. And we really want to thank our sponsors that helped us so far, all our sponsors over the 20 years. You know, I'm totally in live now with Ensure and Ensure Plus, and we really want to thank them. And they've really helped with their products, have been able to really make the cheerleaders stronger, make them have the abilities that they need to really perform well.
Saturday,
so
what time?
It's going to be Saturday, National Indoor Sports Center. That's the 30th of June, and it's $1,000 for adults and only $500 for children under 12. Come out 6 o'clock. Everybody's going to be there.
6 o'clock?
No, come out early, because sometimes they come out late and they miss the show, but we have so many things available for them.
It starts early in the morning.
It starts at 10. It ends at 6, right. So they want to come out.
So don't come out 6 o'clock.
Don't. And Herbalife is also our title sponsors, as well as Farmington and Kitty Farmington, another sponsors that have been with us for 20 years, and we really want to thank them. You guys ready to do it? Ready? Yay!
And this is Windsor.
This is Windsor Castle All Age.
And then we will see St. Hugh's after that?
We'll see St. Hugh's and get a taste of St. Hugh's through the transition team of All-Star Moon Marshall.
All right.
Yeah, good.
Let's go, Windsor.
Come on, guys, do it.
Your seats, it's custom grooves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give it 2, give it 3, give it 4, 5, give it 6, give it 7, give it 8. Girl, give it that 7, 8. That's 4. Yes, honey, that's 8. Custom grooves, you want more? Sit down, honey, 'cause you just 8. 4, 8. 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, This is that wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is that wow. 1, 2, this is that wow. 5, 6. Oh, you better walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is that 7, 8. 4, 8. 4. Oh, that's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5. That baby I got. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ow! 1, 3, 5, 7. Ow! 3, 5, 7. Ow! 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, give it 2, give it 3, give it 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, you're all done. Got all the haters on the run. Custom grooves ain't coming. Bye, Felicia, you're a fan. Ow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.